I'm in the shower, Doc. I'll be right out.
No.
Shrimp? You've been holding out on me.
You ready to hear about my trip? I flew 3 hours to talk to a PhD reporting the test of a body sample.
Gimme. Gimme!
Sweet. Always dumb.
I got it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Coming into party.
Ha 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 ha. I got it.
Sounds great. I'm packed and ready to go.
Whee.
What do you need?
Echo, are you there? Hold on. Go. Station manager wants to see you in his office. Copy. See you dinner.
No, you won't. This is dinner. Better than that mess hall crap.
Mia,
Stay on the plane.
What? You're kidding.
No, you're crazy.
Don.
where is it? Where's the tree? Come on. Oh no, it's a tree. Oh no, it's a tree. Come on.
Popsicle was spotted out here at Howard's Mesa.
Come on.
Borrowed from
Come
McMurdo.
on.
Really?
Come
What are
on.
you doing out there? Snowman's land.
It's probably just the weather blowing over an old tent. The guy's first here. Listen, I know you just got back, but he reports that you got a holiday.
Okay, don't worry. I'll look for a doc.
Take care.
Man, please don't waste my time. Just tell me how many carrots.
Well, don't guess until you see it. Then you just let it flow. I figured you made as much on back end as you did for the marshal services. You should go pro.
Whee.
Yeah, that's all gonna make it like the six.
You still have it in your basement.
Yeah. Do you even have professional backhand players?
The same rules apply to all winter over students. You'll have 90 days to turn in your analysis. I want proxies for the Earth's temperature changes from 1600 to present day. Let's see how long before they're surfing in Kansas.
What a beautiful her she is. Anybody have messy on me?
Don.
G'day, Mom.
Hey, what do you think, Doc?
Yeah, he's had something new.
Oh, look how you is.
You strip search?
You're the second guy out the door, right?
Yeah.
And I'm
Look how cute she is.
Less than 3 days. We begin the winter.